Duct tape. While working in an ordnance factory during World War II, Vesta Stout suggested that waterproof tape would provide a reliable, removable seal for ammunition boxes. Management did not pursue the idea, but Vesta didn't give up. With 2 sons in the Navy, this was both personal and patriotic for her. She sent a letter and diagrams to President Roosevelt, and the War Department quickly put her idea into production. Soldiers soon found that the strong, super sticky tape had a million uses. Later, HVAC installers found that it worked well to seal ductwork. Today, we have better tapes for ducts, but the name lives on. Duct tape most certainly changed DIY forever.